Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur face effectively in a video by using the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already imported a video and I want to blur the face of this person. So what you need to do is first copy and paste your videos like this, and on the second videos you can just head to effects, and then here add the blur effects only to the second video. So I'm going to drag it just like this and add into the second clip. So now the effects has been added. Here you can adjust the intensity of the blur to how you like it, and after that, to only blur the face, you can just click on the video here, go to masking and use the circle one, since we want to blur the face. So I'm going to use circle, and here you can adjust the position and the size of the circle to perfectly blur the face just like this, for example. And when we play the video just like this, it will move, it will blur the face, but if the object is moved just like this, it will not cover the whole face part. So what you need to do is add keyframes. So you can just click on a second video here, add keyframes on the masking, and then you can just move the playhead little by little just like this, and then adjust the position of the masking. So another keyframe will automatically add it. You can just adjust it like this. Okay, if you see some movement, you can adjust the masking position again to make the blur effectively just like this. You can just do it until the end of the clip. So now it's done, and this is the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.